First technique is a oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis. So we are discussing the techniques. Okay. So first technique is a oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis. Okay. Oligo. You know that the oligonucleotides, nucleotides, it is, you know that the DNA, it is made up of the 4 type of the different nucleotides, that is adenine, thymine, cytosine and the guanine. Oligo means a small 20 to 15 to 20 nucleotides synthesizing the artificially, and then we are using for to the directly mutagenesis in that of the particular होस्ट ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. ओके. तर याच्यामध्ये काय करतो आपण, एक आर्टिफिशियली सिंथेसाइज करतो ओलिगोन्यूक्लियोटाइड इन दिस द इन विट्रो कंडिशन, लाइक द 15 to 20 nucleotide of these the oligomers, they are synthesizing this the primer in our the in vitro condition. Okay, this is the primer, we know about that. In this the DNA replication, one strand it is act as a template for to the synthesis of the another strand. Okay, so this is the first in this the DNA replication process, primer it is important for the synthesizing the complementary strand. So same like that, the oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis, we are the synthesizing the 15 to 20 nucleotide base pairs of this the artificial in this the vitro condition, this is the primer. Okay, for to particular site on that of the टार्गेट मॉलिक्यूल. ओके. तर याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करतो, एक ओलिगोन्यूक्लियोटाइड प्राइमर सिंथेसाइज करतो in this the vitro condition, plus we are choosing the vectors. Okay, especially oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis, then we are so we are choosing the M30 phage vector. Okay, in this we are choosing the M30 phage vector. So we are know that the vector is important for to the cloning purposes. Okay, so this the oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis, so we are adding this the vector, the oligonucleotide primer at a particular site. So we are using a different type of the restriction enzyme. So here we are not discussing how to we are cutting, how to we are joining. Okay, so in this the reaction mixture of the tube, so we are containing the oligonucleotide of the primer to the 10 to 15 to 20 nucleotide of this the primer, then we are adding the M13 phage as a vector, then we are restricting this the site on this the vector, and then we are ligated with this the oligonucleotide primer, then we are adding the ligase enzyme for to the joining purposes, and then we are adding into the specific type of the host. मग ते आपण काय करणार, एखाद्या स्पेसिफिक साइट ऑफ द होस्ट मध्ये इनॉक्युलेट करणार. So in this the specific type of the host, so you know that the vectors, so one strand it is self-replicated. Okay, these are the vectors are the self-replicated, the M35 is also self-replicated. So in this the particular type of the replication process, then it is formed the one wild and one mutated. Okay, हे काय आहे, म्युटेटेड स्टँड्स फॉर्म होणार. The bacterial cell, they form this the one strand it is a mutated and the one side it is a wild. Okay, in this the mutated stand, some particular sequences to be changed, and this the we are adding this the primer to the particular site, this the sequence of this the primer are to be changed. Okay, here is a techniques for the oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis. It is a type of site direct mutagenesis, but because of it's known as a site direct mutagenesis, because of this the particular site these are will be changed to the artificially. Okay, so the next techniques for the site direct mutagenesis, that is a site direct mutagenesis using the PCR. By using PCR, that is a polymerase chain of the reaction. एखादी साइट पर्टिक्युलर साइट that will be mutated in this the PCR reaction. Okay, the PCR we know about in this our before lecture we are already in detail the discussion of this the what is the PCR. Okay, in this the PCR we are synthesizing the million of the copies of the DNA from to the small quantity. Okay, तर याच्यामध्ये काय असणार साइट डायरेक्ट म्युटेजेनेसिस लक्षात घ्या. याच्यामध्ये आपण by using the PCR in this the PCR one stand. Okay, in this the stand. Okay, so the we are डिझायनिंग द प्रायमर. ओके, आपण काय करणार लक्षात घ्या, सगळी प्रोसिजर बघून घ्या साइट डायरेक्ट म्युटेजेनेसिसची कशी आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण 2 PCR रिॲक्शन घडवून आणणार आहेत. ओके, सो इन दिस द टू PCR tubes, PCR1 tubes, PCR2 tubes. So in this the PCR, so we are designing the primers. One primer is to the end, another is a forward and the backward primer. Same like to the forward and the backward primer we are adding, then we adding the internal primer. Okay, after to that, so we are also adding the internal primer to that of the PCR tubes. In this the PCR tubes one is a internal primer. Okay, मग आपण रिएक्शन घडवून आणणार, PCR रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होणार. So in this the PCR reaction completion, after the reaction is completed, then त्याच्यानंतर आपण काय करणार आहे, हे 2 रिएक्शन जे मिक्सचरचे जे ट्यूब्स आहेत त्याच्यामधलं आपण हे इंटरनल प्राइमर जे आहेत ते घेणार. ओके, इन दिस द ट्यूब, सो वी आर गिविंग द इंटरनल प्राइमर. सो वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द फॉरवर्ड और द backward primer. So we are isolating the internal primer in this the reaction mixture tube, and these the internal primers, these are the complementary to the each other, they forming the overlap. Okay, overlap gene pools, they forming the overlap gene pool on that of the primers. Okay, ते sequence कसे असतील, these are internal primer sequences that are to the complementary to the each other, they form the overlapping gene pool. Okay, so these the internal overlapping gene pool primer, so we are using for to the mutation to the particular site. मग आपण काय करणार, ती एखादा पर्टिक्युलर तो जो आपल्याला म्युटेशन घडवून आणायचा तो सिक्वेन्स जो DNA चा आहे तो घेणार, तो लायगेट करणार. ओके, so in this the ligated sequences, these the primers we are introduce. The different type of the enzymes, molecular scissors, molecular ligating enzymes, so we are adding. So in this the reaction mixture tube. Okay, so again we are the PCR reaction is the carry out. Okay, मग आपण PCR reaction घडवून आणणार आहे. तर PCR reaction मध्ये according to the Taq polymerase the synthesizing this the internal primer. So you are introduce, आपण काय करणार, हे जे इंटरनल प्राइमर आहे ते आपण एखादा आणखी एक रिएक्शन ट्यूब्स मध्ये घेणार. सो इन दिस रिएक्शन ट्यूब्स कंटेन द इंटरनल प्राइमर and is the target DNA, so we are mutated. Okay, then are adding to the Taq1 polymerase, and also the ligase enzymes are also then inserted. After this the addition, so this is the PCR reaction which is run onto the PCR chamber. After this is some of this the time, so some stands it is a mutated. Okay, because we know that each cycle they are forming the n the power of n. Okay, so in this the cycle they are the site of this the particular is the mutated. Okay, it is known as a site direct mutagenesis by using the PCR. Okay, it is the second techniques for the site direct mutagenesis. So next is cassette mutagenesis. Cassette mutagenesis, we know that what is the meaning of the cassette. So it is a particular site of that of the organisms to be mutated. Cassette म्हणजे काय असणार, एखादा we know about the frame shift. Frame shift mutation ऐकलं असेल आपण genetics मध्ये concept the frame shift mutation. In this the we are know that in this the transcription process, this is the 3 codon, it is a synthesizing to the particular amino acid. तर anticodon काय असणार, त्या कोडॉनला बाइंड होणार and it is coding for the particular amino acid. This is the particular frame for to synthesizing the particular type of the amino acid. The same type, this is a cassette. In this the particular sequences, it is specified to the particular protein. In this the after the transcription translation, these the protein are the expressed in that of the particular organism. Okay, is a cassette mutagenesis. How to the cassette mutagenesis? Okay, in this the particular sequence of the DNA, it is contain the ligating this the particular site, how to we are the introduce into the specific sequences to that of the site. Okay, एखादा जो नॉन कोडिंग सिक्वेन्सेस असेल आपल्या डीएनएच्या मधलं, वी आर नो दॅट द वेरियस सिक्वेन्सेस इन द डीएनए आर द नॉन कोडिंग. सो दिस द नॉन कोडिंग सिक्वेन्सेस वी आर द selected, then we are this the cassette of this the, suppose this the cassette, suppose is this the target mutated genes. Okay, these are target genes we are the introduced in a particular space between that of the DNA. Okay, याच्यामध्ये काय करणार आपण, पर्टिक्युलर जो कॅसेट आहे, म्हणजे कॅसेट म्हणजे काय, सिंपली पर्टिक्युलर ऑफ द जीन सिक्वेन्स, इट इज कोडिंग फॉर टू द पर्टिक्युलर प्रोटीन्स. ओके, अँड दीज आर द एक्सप्रेस. ओके, तर दीज आर द पर्टिक्युलर टार्गेट जीन्स आर द इंट्रोड्यूस into this of these the molecules. Okay, this is tightly packed. After this the using the different type of the molecular enzyme, that is the restriction enzymes, and this the molecular scissors. Okay, these ligating enzymes are inserted into this the reaction mixture tube, and this is the reaction mixture for the some time. After this the cassette mutagenesis can be occur. Okay, म्हणजे हे काय होणार, हे जीन्स त्याच्या जीन्स मधली एक्सप्रेस होणार at a particular site, and this the protein synthesis can be formed. Expression of the gene means that the protein synthesis can be obtained. It is known as the expression of that of the जीन्स. ओके, कॅसेट कळालं का, एखादी पर्टिक्युलर साईटमध्ये आपण काय केलं, एखादा पर्टिक्युलर जीन इन्सर्ट केला, अँड दिस जीन इज इन्सर्टेड फॉर टू द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ दिस द पर्टिक्युलर प्रोटीन. ओके, सो हियर इज ऑल्सो द टाइप ऑफ द साइट डायरेक्ट म्यूटाजेनेसिस. सो another type of the site direct mutagenesis is a random chemical mutagenesis. So we know that the random and the non-random. Okay, in this the chemicals random आणि non-random म्हणजे काय, random म्हणजे कोणतंही आणि non-random म्हणजे at a particular site. ओके, तर इथं रॅन्डम केमिकल म्युटेजेनेसिस म्हणजे काय करतो आपण, एखादं केमिकल्स यूज करतो. वी नो दॅट द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द केमिकल दॅट कॅन बी युजिंग फॉर द केमिकल म्युटेजेनेसिस. ओके, दे कॅन बी ॲक्ट ॲज अ केमिकल म्युटेशन्स. ओके, सो इन दिस द रॅन्डम केमिकल म्युटेजेनेसिस, दिस आर द अनवॉन्टेड regions of that of the sequences can be chemically mutated or the damaged. Okay, तर एखादा DNA चा sequence आहे, we know that the some type of the chemicals like the sodium bisulfite that is converted the cytosine into the thymine, that is like the nitrous acid that is converted cytosine into the uridine or the adenine. Also the formic acid is a chemical also converted the adenine the guanine to the glycosidic bond ब्रेकिंग. त्याच्यामधलं ॲडेनिन आणि ग्लायकोसाइडिक मधला काय करतात, ग्लायकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड ब्रेक करतात. त्याचप्रमाणे हायड्रासाइन सुद्धा आहे, तर हे पण काय करतो, सायटोसिन आणि थायमिन मधला पिरिमिडीन रिंग ब्रेक करतो. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ द केमिकल्स आर द इनिबिटरी ॲक्शन ऑन दॅट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, तर रॅन्डम केमिकल म्युटेजेनेसिस मध्ये काय करतात, डिफरंट टाइप ऑफ द केमिकल्स यूज करतात, आणि दिस द केमिकल्स कॅन बी ॲक्ट ॲज अ केमिकल म्युटेजेनेसिस. ओके, इट इज समजा हे इज अ पर्टिक्युलर DNA मॉलिक्यूल आहे, आणि याच्यामध्ये आपण काय केलं, डिफरंट टाइप ऑफ द केमिकल्स यूज केलं, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलं, अनवॉन्टेड रॅन्डम म्युटेशन त्याच्यात घडवून आणलं. म्हणजे पर्टिक्युलर म्हणजे जे की अनवॉन्टेड आहे त्या रिझन्समध्ये जे आपल्याला माहिती सुद्धा होणार नाही की रॅन्डम मधलं कोणतंही एखादं सिक्वेन्स ते काय करतील, रॅप्चर्स करून टाकतील, डॅमेज करून टाकतील. समजा इथलं असे 2-4 सिक्वेन्स काय करतील, ते रॅप्चर्स करून टाकतील बाय युजिंग द, इट इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन द रॅप्चरेशन बाय युजिंग द different type of the chemicals. We are already discussed the different type of the chemicals. The action of this different type of the chemicals are the different. Okay, so they are the rupturing on this the molecule of the DNA, and then we are adding artificially synthesizing the nucleotides on that of the particular sequences. Okay, मग आपण काय करणार, इथं artificially synthesizing nucleotides will be adding. So different type of the ligation enzyme that are using for to the ligating to that of the particular site on that of the damaged side of that of the molecule. Okay, so here is known as a random chemical mutagenesis. कोणतीही sites chemical न breakage करून टाकायची, and this is the breakage site, so we are adding the in vitro condition synthesizing nucleotide in the in situ conditions. Okay, so it is known as a random chemical mutagenesis. Okay, here is also type of the site direct mutagenesis. So last point, that is the application of this the site direct mutagenesis. So what are the applications? So the first application is that it is most widely used application in a site direct mutagenesis is to get mutated form of the enzyme genes. Okay, so we are already know that, so we are adding this the gene, it is a express gene into the particular organism, the product of the gene it is a protein. Okay, so the enzyme it is also the proteins. Okay, so it is also for to the enzymatic gene inserted into the particular site. Okay, another application, site direct mutagenesis can be used to improve the effect of the function of antibody and their affinities. Okay, increases इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ अँटीबॉडी. ओके, अँटीबॉडीचा इफेक्टिवनेस वाढवण्यासाठी पण काय करतात, साइट डायरेक्ट म्युटेजेनेसिस टेक्निक्स इन्व्हॉल्व करतात. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अँटीबॉडी so some site it is to be mutated, so it is a best effect to that of the particular organisms. Okay, so another application of the site direct mutagenesis can be used to change the amino acid pattern to the storage protein. It is also using amino acid changes to at the particular site. Okay, so we know that the amino acid it is a main and important constituent for the protein synthesis. Okay, so another application, the method can be oligonucleotide direct mutagenesis can be also be used to introduce the deletion of the insertion of the sequences. डिलीशन आणि इन्सर्शन्स करण्यासाठी पण काय करतो आपण, साइट डायरेक्ट म्युटेजेनेसिसचा यूज करतो. कशासाठी, डिलीशन अँड द इन्सर्शन पर्पसेस. ओके, सो हियर इज सम application of the site direct mutagenesis. So here we are completed the site direct mutagenesis types and to the site direct mutagenesis by the PCR. Okay, so here we are completed. So the next lecture we are starting the new point of the unit 3rd of this, the genetic engineering.